Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we'll see one question over here, that is simplify. So it's given over here x in a minus b raised to a minus b whole bracket a plus b. But this dot means but this is multiplication, x raised to b minus c whole bracket b plus c multiplied by x raised to c minus a whole bracket c plus a. So now let us see for the first part. This is a minus b and a plus b. So we have the formula a minus b multiplied by a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So we can write for this whole thing, we can write a square minus b square. Same here we can see b minus c and b plus c. So we can write for this as b square minus c square. Same over here, c minus a and c plus a, that will be c square minus a square. So now what we can see, the base are the same. If the base are the same, the exponent should be added, means x raised to m into x raised to n. Into it can be anything, either 2 or 3. You have to add it x raised to m plus n. So what will we do? We are going to add the exponents. So after adding the exponents, a minus b square plus b plus c minus c square plus c square minus a square. So what do we get? We can cut this one, because this is a, this is minus a square minus b square plus b square minus c square and plus c square. So what do we get here? That means the exponent here, we get here 0. So anything raised to 0 is 1. So the answer should be 1. So by this we have completed this question over here. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.